Love the definition. I love the sheen my hair has. It's wash day, and there are a couple things that hold true in Northeast Ohio summertime weather, and that is humidity. So my blowout is expired, but I'm super excited to show you how I complete my wash and go, how I keep things moisturized with plenty of bounce back and all the hold that I need it to have to get me at least 3 days. All the stuff that I've used all week to curl and manage, I need to clarify that. So I'm gonna be using Mizani's Moisture Fusion Gentle Clarifying Shampoo to get all of this off. And then I'm gonna follow it up with Mizani's True Textures Moroccan Clay Steam Mask so that my hair is left feeling soft, detangled. I'm gonna go shampoo and get my life all the way together, and I'll be back. Now to detangle using 25 Miracle Milk. I need moisture, so this is gonna give me some moisture. It's gonna prime my hair because I got a secret weapon to give my curls a little extra shimmy. This is Coco Dew. This is a styler and restyler, which means you can use this on your day 2 and 3 hair in order to provide more moisture, to give a little bit more recoil, to just freshen up, and to kind of shake up the bottle. Shake, 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 and spray it all over my section here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna kind of rake through so that I can begin to clump my curls a little bit. So now I'm gonna follow up with Mizani True Textures Perfect Coil Oil Gel. It's gonna give me all of the hold that I need, and I like to be pretty generous with it. And I'm gonna apply from the ends all the way up, again, raking through my hair because I've already used Coco Dew. And I want those curls to begin, oh, there they go. Hey y'all, raking through, clumping my curls. I'm just gonna let them go. Oh, there they are. And I'm pretty generous with Coco Dew. Look at that. Curls already clumping. It's so good. I am ready to diffuse. Everything feels soft, smells good, hydrated. So here I am, about 80–90% dry. Love the definition. I love the sheen my hair has. So I'm just gonna like fluff it up a little bit using my pick. Little trick. Just a little bit more to kind of finish, but that's it. Now you know my secret weapon. Coco Dew, get you some. Don't sleep on this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Hair.com and follow me at Carla Marcelle. And until next time, see ya.